friends! Today we are going to make our own wind chime. So, the first thing you're going to do is go find yourself a stick. Doesn't matter what size, but you're going to make your wind chime all along it, so you probably want to go smaller the better, but not tiny. And it's got to be sturdy enough that it can hold things. So, I have started this beautiful wind chime by going around my house and finding a whole bunch of stuff that makes noise. You can hear that sweet noise. So I had a pack of hair clips I wasn't using, and some old keys, as well as beads, and a bunch of other assorted things. So you're going to go all around and you're going to find things that make noise when they hit together that you aren't using. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to get, once you have all your supplies, you're going to get your embroidery string. So if you have yarn, that's fine, or thread, as long as it's sturdy, it's all good. I'm using embroidery thread, and it's probably our best bet. So I'm going to see how long I want it. I want this one, it's probably going to be my middle one, to be maybe a little bit longer. And remember, you're tying them, so you want to make sure that there's enough room for that. So I'm going to make mine about this wide, probably like 1.5 feet. Cut my string and then tie it around my stick. So you want to do a double knot, so it makes it easier, and probably hold on. You can even do a triple knot if you want. There we go. So now I got my long string. So you gotta be careful with these because they will get twisted up as you flail it around, but that's okay. So I'm gonna start with a bead at the top. I'm gonna pick a heart bead and put it all the way to the top, and then I'm going to tie a double knot around the bead to keep it in place. Tie that double knot. And then from there, I have decided that I'm going to use this really big cookie cutter to go right in the middle of my wind chime. So I'm going to put this through the middle, put it near the top, and I'm probably going to tie a triple knot for this. So you want to make sure it's super duper sturdy. So 1, 2, and a third. There we go. Now this in the wind is going to make a lot of noise, which is super cool. The more metal objects you can use, the better. However, hard plastic will also work really well. So now that I have this, I'm going to make this kind of the main thing, and I'm going to add about like 5 or 6 beads to this one. Alright, so now I have my middle piece. It's pretty loud now. So it's going to be super cool when it's outside. These little beads in the middle are just going to bang off of the bigger thing. So I don't think I'm going to add any more. I think this is enough for this one. So I'm going to put it back down. And I'm going to get another piece of string, maybe a little bit shorter. And I'm going to, again, tie it on. And then I'm going to be adding more things. So I don't even know what this is. It's metal though, so it'll make a fun noise. I have a little ruler. I found some old necklaces I don't use anymore. I'm gonna add a whole bunch of different stuff. This one's fun because it can be completely your own. There's not really, other than tying things to the stick, it's not really a process to follow. So I'm gonna start tying some more things. we've now officially done 4. And I'm going to add 1 more right here to finish it off. So far it has a nice collection of things and looks pretty cool. It's a pretty fun wind chime. So we'll cut our last string, tie it on again, and I'll be adding the rest of my stuff. Alright, so you have the basis of your wind chime now, but you have no way to hang it up yet. So, woo! So, you're going to get some thicker string. This is like some pink hemp. It's pretty strong. And you're going to cut something that's enough to hang it. So I'm probably going to cut about this long so I can tie it to either end of my stick. And you're going to make sure that you like knot it as many times as you possibly can. So this is about 4 times, feels pretty sturdy. Bring it over to the other side. 1, 3 times. Awesome. And now you have something to hang your wind chime off of.